Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best stainless steel knuckle ring set available on the market. The HAIAISO 8 to 10 pieces knuckle ring set. If you're looking for stylish, versatile, and durable rings that you can wear every day, this set might just be what you need. The HAIAISO knuckle rings come in a set of 8 to 10 pieces, crafted from high-quality 316L stainless steel. This material choice is excellent because it combines durability with a sleek, polished look. Stainless steel is known for being resistant to rust, corrosion, and tarnish, which means these rings will maintain their shine and finish over time without fading or turning your fingers green. For anyone with sensitive skin, this is an ideal choice because stainless steel is hypoallergenic and comfortable to wear all day. One of the standout features of this set is its adjustable sizing. The collection offers 7 different sizes within the set to fit various fingers, allowing you to stack them or wear them individually. Whether you want to wear these as knuckle rings, thumb rings, toe rings, or simply stack them to create a unique style, this set offers that flexibility. The rings are lightweight but sturdy, meaning they won't feel bulky or fragile when worn. The design of these rings is simple and elegant, focusing on smooth, plain bands with a minimalist aesthetic. This makes them incredibly versatile for matching with any outfit or occasion. Whether you're dressing up for a night out or keeping it casual during the day, these rings blend seamlessly with your look. They come in classic silver and gold tones, so you can choose according to your personal style or mix and match for a more dynamic appearance. Durability is another big plus. These rings are highly polished to give a premium finish, and thanks to the stainless steel material, they resist scratching and deformation. Unlike many fashion rings that may bend or break easily, these keep their shape and shine for a long time, offering great value for money. Additionally, the HAIAISO brand emphasizes a perfect blend of traditional craftsmanship with modern technology, which reflects in the quality of these rings. They also come with a sustainability feature, including carbon offset certifications, making them a more environmentally conscious choice compared to many other fashion accessories. In terms of packaging, the rings arrive compact and lightweight, making them an easy gift option as well. Whether you're treating yourself or someone else, the set comes ready to impress with a balance of style and practicality. Overall, the HAIAISO knuckle rings set stands out due to its durable stainless steel build, adjustable sizing, simple yet elegant design, and versatility in how you can wear them. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to add classic, stackable rings to their jewelry collection without breaking the bank. That wraps up our review of the HAIAISO stainless steel knuckle ring set. If you're interested in rings that combine durability, style, and comfort, this set is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights.